Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm doing a VR for Diana Loves Colors. She is currently hosting a challenge, #BuildAChurch. She is selling cards to help fund her church's building fund, and she has asked us to send some cards that she can sell at the selling table. I will link Diana's channel down below so you can check out this challenge. I have decided to send flat mail. The card that I'm sending everything in is a card that I will be leaving blank so she can make an envelope and sell this one as well. And on the inside, this is my first card that I've included in an envelope, and I also have some clear sleeves that I'll be slipping these into. This is the first card, and I used this Illustrated Faith paper pad to make it. This is my second card. And I also added a banner on the inside. This paper is from the Bo Bunny Faith collection. She did ask not to send any extra goodies unless we had some spare stickers. I found some of these in my stash that I think are large enough that she may be able to use these as the card fronts. So I'm sending this sticker sheet, and I also had an Illustrated Faith sticker book that has these really nice sayings on them, and hopefully she can use these, and if not, she can have them in her collection. I'm also going to have the cards in these clear sleeves. And that is my entry for Diana Loves Colors. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.